Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get free new faces and bundles on Roblox. First of all, go to Marketplace. In Marketplace, you have to filter. So you have to tap on recently created. So by clicking on recently created, you will get all the uh, recent uh, items. So now you have to set the price maximum 0 to get all the items free. Now you will see all the new items and the pieces released by the Roblox. And as you can see, the first one is purple guy face. Click on it and click on buy and click on get now. So now you can click on continue and now you can go back and select the other faces you can. So this is a new face also, the recolorable Arian hat. Click on it, click on get it, and now go back. Also, you can get this face also. The you are joking. You can get this. It is also a free bundle. So once you get, so make sure to have an interval or to skip for seconds to avoid any error. So now you can also get this face. It is ice cream lady face. You can also this blue eyes anime face, and also this face. This face is also amazing. Click on get now, and once you get it, now you can go back. You can go. You can get this face also. And if you want to get guys headless face, you have to scroll down a bit more and look for a glasses hat. Glasses hat gives you a headless look. Let me show you. Scroll down more. You can get all the heads before it go off sale. So otherwise you will miss the chance. So make sure to grab all the faces, latest faces. Otherwise you will regret only. So you can get also this rainbow block guy. This is also free. There's also one face and which gives you a headless look. Let me show you face that. You can also get this rainbow glow face. Click on buy and click on get now. So I'm heading to the face that gives you a headless look, and you can search for it if you don't cannot find. So you can search for buy this keyword glasses. I've already owned that item, but I just wanted to show you how can you get this. So now look for a glasses head. Now click on recently created. I think it go off sale. So let me go to add and all hats. I think guys that item is go off sale. Let me show you. I have this item in the inventory. Let me go. So now you can go back to head and body. So I have this face that gives you a headless look. So right now I cannot see my that face itself. So I think it has been deleted. I think it's been deleted from the Roblox, but you can try this one. So you can try this hat, Billy hat. It also gives you a headless look. So let me show you. Let me change the character first. I'll make it to Joan. Now, if I add this, add whatever this one or this one, Billy had. Now you have to go to hand body and go to skin tone. Fine. Now you have to go to, you have to click on this advanced option and go to head and now click on head. Now click on this done button. And now you have to choose a hair and look for a hair that covers the behind of your face. So basically, now if you click the use this hair, now you can see that it gives you a headless look. As you can see, you can choose this hair as well. Fine. So I'll recommend you to use this hair. So it also gives you a headless look. Let me show you. Fine. That's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.